Hi guys, good afternoon. So I want to show us how to use our FX calculator to calculate our stop loss in pips to know how much we're going to be losing. For instance, USD JPY, we are going to be using the position size calculator, right? So let me just say our stop loss is 10 pips. Then let me say we're going to be calculating by risk by percentage, which is this. We click here, then we're our stop loss in pips. So this is how we're going to, let me just say we have an account balance of $2,000 and we want to just risk 1%, and our stop loss in pips is 10 pips, right? Then we calculate. Then this will be our stop loss, 133.225 in USD JPY. That means the amount we are risking is $20. Then this is the lot size we're going to be using, 0.266. So this is the standard lot size we're going to be using, assuming we want to take a trade for 10 pips stop loss. And you can also use this to calculate your take profits, to know how much your take profits is going to be also. Thank you very much.